1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY on how to make your very own hair gel out of flax seeds. What you're going to need is an old pot, a large spoon, I chose a wooden spoon in particular, a measuring glass, a pair of new stockings, your flax seeds of any kind, a jar of any kind to store your gel, and if you want, because this is optional, you can add essential oils and preservatives to make your gel last a lot longer than 2 weeks. So I'm starting off with my pot on the stove. I'm going to use 1/4 cup of flax seeds and 2 cups of water. You can play with the water to flaxseed ratio to get the consistency that you want for your gel. Heat the seeds over medium heat until the water starts to thicken, froth, and get an eggy consistency. At this time, continue to mix the seeds with your spoon so that the seeds don't stick to the pot. I've already went ahead and strained the mixture into the stocking. As you can see, I still have a lot left over. You can save the used flax seeds for another time or dispose them. You can either squeeze out the rest of the gel from the stocking with tongs of some sort or use your hands. Now I'm ready to style my old wash and go. I'm going to be using additional products with the gel. Here I have some Cantu cream, Garnier's conditioning cream, I'm running low, a brush, a spray bottle, and my new gel. After I strained it, I added the essential oils, which made the smell really strong, and after I put it in the fridge for 30 to 45 minutes just to cool it down. The gel is just the way I like it. It's not too thick, it's not too light.
Hello guys, I am DeQuave, the leader of Moose Clan, and I'm gonna be greater than Michael Jackson. Tiani's gonna be Janet Jackson.
I'm going to finish the rest of my hair and show you the finished look. And here it is. I am so happy the way my gel turned out. It left my hair completely soft with very low shrinkage. This is so much easier, it's inexpensive, and it's 100% reusable. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys try this out and like and share this with your friends.